Hey guys, how's it going? Cassie here from Passive Martial Income, and I'm right now at the Malibu beach, one of the most beautiful beaches out here in California. There, like you can see in the background. So just came here with my family to spend the evening, and also to enjoy this beautiful weather out here in California. So I wanted to talk about an interesting topic for today's video, which is about having multiple streams of income. So I got this question asked a couple of days ago by a person who was asking me that how is it that I am able to live this life of luxury and also get to travel whenever I want at my will. Okay. So talking about luxury, I would like to give me a sec. This is actually flying into my mouth. So talking about luxury, there's something which I wanted to make it clear, which is yes, luxury is something which I enjoy. But lately, I have been following. Now, I wouldn't say I'm a minimalist to the core, but yes, I have made some changes when it comes to my lifestyle. And I've cut down unnecessary spending. You see, unnecessary spending when it comes to watches, when it comes to buying a luxury or expensive car. So I've become very pragmatic from that perspective. However, I have one important piece of advice for all of you young entrepreneurs who are watching this, and also for some of you who are still working and are stuck with your 9 to 5 lifestyle and are thinking of starting and building your own business. Don't focus on luxury stuff. All right, what you got to be focusing more on is creating and building assets. Okay, because assets is what's going to help you ultimately. You see, you got to have more and more assets which can basically take care of all your lifestyle expenses and give you that freedom so that you get to come to these kind of amazing places. All right, so focus on that. Stay away from luxury as much as possible. Once you have quit your job, once you have made enough money, once in a while it's fine to, let's say, indulge in a bit of luxury. Like you can buy an expensive watch, probably a Rolex, a Panerai, an Omega, whatever you feel is good enough for you. All right, but make it a point that your priority should always be for your business and investments. That's why I would say that's where majority of your money should be going. All right. The other thing that I also wanted to tell you guys was about the fact that you need to keep making regular investments when it comes to real estate. All right, because real estate is the key, guys. Real estate is the key to your financial freedom. Now, if I didn't have my investments in real estate, I wouldn't have that peace of mind. Yes, I do have multiple businesses. I do have my multiple online and offline businesses. But when I know for a fact that I do own multiple real estate properties, which brings in that cash flow on a regular basis, that's what gives me that peace of mind. It allows me that cushion to go on long holidays like this, to take long vacations with my family, and enjoy as much as I want. I'm here in Los Angeles, and I'm gonna be here for the next few months, setting up and taking all my companies under a big group of holding company, because that has been the idea since the last few months already. I've also made some investments in real estate properties out here. So coming to the point, guys, make sure you keep working hard, keep growing your businesses, keep scaling your businesses, but at the same time keep investing in real estate. Okay, if you have multiple publishing companies, if you have multiple Amazon FBA companies, all right, because apart from growing your publishing business, also try to grow your Amazon FBA business. Once you have built your publishing business and made it successful, you can focus on the Amazon FBA scheme of things. All right, so once you're making more than 20 grand, 30 grand per month, then you gotta be having real estate investments. All right, guys, hope you found a lot of value from this video. And if you do have any questions, if you do have any message that you gotta send it to me, put it in the comment section or send me an email. All right, and this is Qasim signing off. I'll be seeing you guys with more videos in the coming weeks. Till then, you guys take care. This is Qasim signing off from beautiful Malibu.